Okay, so anybody that doesn't know, my name's Jordy at Carving Fusion here in Ladner, British Columbia, Canada. And today I'm in Pete's shop, and we have a special guest today. Come on in, Pete. Hi,
everybody.
Here's the mad scientist. I had to pay him $5 million to want to get into this video, so here he is anyways, but I'm broke for the rest of my life. Okay, so I got this package from a man named David Grass. He's in Texas. And he asked if I could do a video of opening the package. Oh, there's a thing here. You can.
Oh, okay.
So, and he asked if Pete can be the video. So, like I said, I had to pay Pete $5 million, and here he is. So, I'm gonna open this up, and this comes from Texas. He said that he's got to be really drunk when he makes this, and he says it needs to be a full moon. You can't make it without it being a full moon because well, the thing won't go in the wood or something like that. And yeah, so David Grass, you smoke weed? Last name Grass? Okay. Okay, so let's open her up. Okay, so he said that he's gonna have a note inside of here. I better make sure I don't break it. So before we even look at it, Pete's going to read the note. Oh, he's even got it typed right up.
He says it's not an owl. He said, "Hi, buddy. Just a little note to say hello. I sure wish I could be there to see the expression on your face when you first open this up. It's like, what the hell is it? How'd that get in there? I'll call Pete. He'll know. Well, I'm here, so maybe we'll figure it out. Maybe Liz can help." He says, "I'm laughing my ass off right now just typing this little letter. It's just something I give my special friends. After I give it to them a couple of days later, they call and say, 'You bastard, don't you ever give me anything else.' Y'all take care, and I'll catch you on the video. See ya. Thanks, David." Signed, David Grass.
Okay, thanks, Dave. Whatever it is, so let's take a look and see what this thing is.
Okay, so what is it?
What is it? Look, there's a knife in there.
There's a knife in there.
How did he get the knife in there, Pete?
How did he get that knife in there? That's a really good question.
Can I show up close to the camera?
Yeah. Oh no, how'd you do that? Did Jordy, David Grass in Texas? Yeah.
Look, there's a little knife in there.
Tip it up that way too. Yeah, that way. I have no clue how he got it in there.
But what is it, an octopus?
It's like a, I don't know, W.
Oh, that's ghosts. I don't know what they are. How'd you get the knife in there, though? Pete, how did he do it?
I don't know. That's a cool knife, anyway. Very good, David.
You even got Pete myth.
But just don't bother sending us anything else, okay?
Look at the little knife in there. The question is, how did he get the knife in there? He said he learned it from a woodworker 20 years ago. And man, I'm telling you right now, if you got Pete wondering how the hell you did it, here, take a look at it.
Let's have a look. I can't see any joints. I don't see any. Well, there's a split down here, but that's because of the hardwood. I don't have any idea how you did that, David. But it's cool. It doesn't even move in there. Like it wouldn't even be able to be twisted around or anything. Fantastic.
Is there a bend in the metal?
Doesn't look like it. It doesn't even, you can't even move it in there. So thanks for sharing. Maybe you're going to have to send us a hint or a couple of clues.
Did you weld it inside there? Is that knife in two pieces and you welded it? Is that your trade? You're a welder? That's super cool, Dave. I love it. I'm going to put it by my woodworking treasures that were gifted to me. But maybe you can tell us in the comments below how you did it.
We don't want to give away your secrets.
Yeah, don't give away the secrets.
Magicians don't give away their secrets.
Maybe you think I'm worthy enough to, I don't know, is that backwards?
It looks backwards to me.
Okay, well, there it is. Thanks, man. I love it. But I don't know how you did it.
One more look. I don't know either. It's a mystery. It's magic. I think it's magic. It's wood magic. Wood and knife magic.
I'm telling you, man, if you've baffled Pete.
There you go.
Well, guys, I want to show you. Okay, thanks, Dave. I love it. And I'll be showing it more in my other videos. Maybe somebody else will know how you did it. But I want to show, again, thanks, Dave. This is some, what's it called? Ball in a block?
Ball in a box.
Ball in a box Pete made back in when he whittled this, guys, out of a knife. Right, Pete?
With a knife, yeah.
Yeah, with a knife. He's got the ball in the box
there.
and he's got these chain blocks. He welded it. This is all knife.
All one piece of wood.
All one piece of wood. So you guys, Pete says he's not a wood carver. Well, come on, Pete.
Used to be.
So yeah, you got the little balls in the box
I'm a
here.
wood turner.
Somebody was saying in the group that these older ones are worth a lot of money now. I know Evil Rick, you've made some of these. I saw your video, guys. If you want to check out his channel, he has some of these. Where's the other one? Here's another that he whittled it. I don't have time for whittling. I just got to get shit done.
We didn't have power tools in those days. You know, that was when we were sending notes on stone and stuff.
Yeah. Look at this one. It's got a wood block in it. Got a little tiny ball in there. The chain. But that's pretty cool, Pete. So anyways, why I showed you guys this stuff is Pete's got this piece of teak that he'd be happy to see me carve a chain out of it. I told him I'll carve this sucker in goddamn 5 hours. He's like, I don't think so. And I says, oh, who you talking to? You're talking to heavy hands here.
We'll see.
Okay, guys, so thanks for coming in today, Pete. Thanks for being on the video.
See y'all.
And thanks.
Talk to you on Thursday.
Thursday night, 5 o'clock Pacific. And thanks, David. I really appreciate the gift, and it's much appreciated. Hey, Dave. After me and Pete thoroughly inspected this piece with the knife in it, Pete's conclusion is it was cracked right on the seam. You put the knife in, you glue it back together. That's Pete's conclusion, Dave. That's Pete's conclusion, Dave. Oh, yes, it is.